Hey, what's up guys, in this video we're going to talk about HTML tables. So the HTML tables comprises of rows and columns. So the developers can arrange data using the rows and columns of the table. Now to create the table, we use the table tag, and inside the table tag each row is represented using the TR tag, which stands for table row. And inside the table row we can have the TH tag, which stands for table head. So we can have any table head like name. So we can put another head like phone. So we have created two table head. Now we can create another table row, and inside the new row we can use the TD tag, which stands for table data, and we can put the name like Tom, and we can have the phone number like 12345. So here in the table we have created one table row which contains the table head, name and phone number, and in the second row we have used the TD tag and we have the name Tom and the phone number. So this is the way we can use the table tag and we can create table. Now we can make a cell that can span more than one column using the call span attribute. So in the ph head we can use the call span attribute, and we can make the ph head to span around multiple columns. So we're gonna use the number 2 that will make the ph head span around 2 columns. So if we create another TD and if we put another number, and you can see the ph head is spanned around 2 columns. Similarly, we can make a cell span more than one row using the row span attribute. So we're gonna create another table. Now inside the table we're gonna select the first row, and where we're gonna have the table head as the name, and also we're gonna have the table data, so the name is going to be Tom. And we're gonna select another row, and here the table head is gonna be phone number and the data is going to be any random phone number. Now we can use the row span attribute and we can make the ph head span around multiple row. So if we just have another row and another data, and if we put the phone number, and you can see the ph head is spanning around 2 rows, and this is possible because of the row span attribute. And lastly, we can add caption to one table. To add a caption to a table, we can use the caption tag. So to use the caption tag, you have to use right after the table tag. So we're gonna use the caption tag, and inside the caption we're gonna write this is a caption. So this is the way we can use the caption tag right after the table tag, and we can add one caption to the table. So this is the way we can create one table using the table tag, and inside of which we can select one row using the TR tag, and then we can create the head using the TH tag, and the data can be inserted using the TD tag. And this way we can create the rows and columns of the table to arrange the data inside the web page. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.